Hey folks, Wayne Brown over here at the Ram Man Inc. and we're doing this hub change out on this Dodge 2500, and I just wanted to show you guys some tricks. So we've got it all torn apart, of course, and we've got the new shaft stuck in here. It's just sitting here. Calipers right here on a bucket. Makes it real easy to have it right here on a bucket. Let me tell you something, some of these caliper bolts are kind of tight. If you'll get this thing off the ground so you can turn the steering, it's really going to help you, because you can turn it all the way to the right and you can get in here with a cheater bar and get these bolts undone. You with me? This is turned. You can get in here with a cheater bar. That's gonna help out. The other thing is being able to turn this knuckle back and forth is going to help you to get to the hub bolts for sure. And the other thing is, as you guys know, a lot of these are stuck real well. They're basically rusted in place, and you can use the steering. You can use you a bar or a big old deep socket, and you can push it against put it against the housing and against the back of the hub, and you can turn the steering just a little bit and use your hydraulic gear to pop this thing loose. So we've got it all together. Of course, I never do have any rags. You always ought to have some rags when you're doing some kind of a install instead of some nasty old paper towels. Good old rags helps out a whole bunch. You remember that, Zach? Good old rags. So anyway, we want to make sure that our our shaft is pushed in all the way, and it is. And what I wanted to show you guys here, we've got to put on our little dust shield, right? Goes on just like this. And what we've done is we've cut this little tab that hangs down with just like some tin snips, so that we can get to our grease fitting that we're going to use. So remember, I show you guys all the time, you can just slide the unit bearing on, and then you can slide in the guts and the rings and the locker, or you can do it as one piece. So we've got it greased up. We've got this greased up, and of course them other people, they got about 50 or 60 parts, and so I'm going to make sure that he's right side up. Right there, your ABS port. So we're going to slide it on, and we're going to turn it just a little bit, and it just lined up with the splines, and all of a sudden we've got it. There you go, my friends. It's all the way down flush, and we have just mounted our hub. It's that easy. You can make it hard if you want to, or you can keep it simple. So tighten this bad boy down, put your rotor on there, slip your caliper on there. I started using this bucket, keeps it oriented, right height, and everything else. Remember now, lots of people have problems with the big old nut. You're going to need you a big old socket. You're going to need you a big old bar, and you're going to need you a cheater bar or a big old air wrench. I did a dually here about a year ago. We literally had a 6-foot cheater bar on the end of this. It was hilarious. Looked like the Three Stooges, but it actually worked. So there you go, my friends. Locking hubs. Change your truck forever. Change your life. And give this old boy a treat. Just slide your old crappy spline hub off. Slide on your new one. And your Timken's ready to go. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing. Bye.